Hello everybody, and today I am doing another unboxing and review video, but this is not of an aircraft, but it is aviation related. So it's this. It's the Air of Aces stopwatch collection from Atlas, and this one it's got 2 Spitfires on it, and it's made of silver, but I can't remember what kind of silver, so let me put the camera down and I'll get this open. Yes, that's what it looks like inside. And then let's get this thing out. There it is. Let me raise the camera back up again. And there it is. Don't know if it's... yeah. So it's on the back. This is D-Day Spitfires of Lieutenant Tony Cooper of 64 Squadron Spitfires Mark 5B, Normandy, June 1944. So yeah, I've had this watched for about 2 years now. So, and also if you press this button, things opens up and you see inside the clock. Nothing special about that, but you see it inside the clock. I don't think it's working, but this is only a collector's, so yeah, so that's the clock. You press that to close it. So yeah, my parents got me this like 2 years ago, so I don't know how much she paid for it, but you can find it on Atlas Editions website. So this is actually, and also with this clock, or with the stopwatch, you get this tiny little silver chain and a certificate saying that that this is an authentic thing. I have both these things, but I can't be asked to get them. And this is so silver you can see the camera and me, but of course I'm hiding my face behind the camera so you don't know what I look like. But yeah, this is a really nice watch. So I hope you enjoyed this videos. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoy my content so far. I'll get these out for when I can. So yeah, so thank you so much for supporting my channel, and thank you for Model Minutes for showcasing my models on his subscriber showcase. That really means a lot. So yeah, if you want to see any more reviews, remember to contact me on YouTube, and also by subscribing as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video, and if you'd like, you might be able to meet me in person. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you've noticed this again. But have a good day and have a nice night. Bye.